So I'm back with a follow-up video to share about how I made my caramel apple cashew crunch biscuits, and there's two different versions of those. Also vanilla cashew milk that I made that's topped with whipped cream, and then also have some bacon cheesy eggs, and this is just a mini jumpstart breakfast for my family. So how I actually made these biscuits is actually I used Healthy Smart Bisquick for these. I didn't make homemade biscuits today, but what I did was that I chopped up an apple and let it sit in cinnamon, and then also I melted some ghee and some caramel topping in the microwave, and then I mixed that around, and then I added that to the apple mix so that it could set up, and then I crushed up some cashews and then put those in that mix as well. With the biscuit mix, I also made the biscuits into vanilla flavored biscuits. So I added vanilla, and then what I did was actually, after I mixed up the mix for the biscuits, then I added the apple mixture, within there. And so with the bigger biscuits, those were just the standard ones that I scooped with an ice cream scooper. And then the smaller ones that you see are from the same mix. But what I did was I got a smaller ice cream scoop and I coated that ice cream scoop with caramel topping. And so then I put the biscuit mix in there. So with each little scoop, the caramel was on top so that it could soak in when it baked. And so those are how I made those. And I'll have a recipe down in the description, for those who want to try it. My family has already had samples, and they simply love these. And so that's actually why I'm coming to do a video, to feature this, because yeah, they've had a sample of both and just are ready for more. So with the vanilla milk, I just took my standard cashew milk that I used. I melted white chocolate chips in a little bit of heavy cream and mixed that up as a mixture. And then what I did was mixed it with the cashew milk and added just a little bit of whipped cream within there as well, and then blended it up really nicely, and then just topped. When I poured it up, then I just topped it, with some whipped cream. And they can add cinnamon to it if they choose to or not. But they've actually had a sample of the drink as well, and they loved it. And so then the eggs that I'm featuring are just, standard scrambled eggs, nothing too fancy, and just bacon bits and cheese. So this is their little mini jumpstart breakfast that they're gonna have, and also have some fruit, on the side as well. So I just wanted to feature these again. I will have the recipe within the description, and in case I left something out, you'll have the thorough recipe there. So I will be back soon with more mini meals to feature and show you. Have a great day.